this top of the air box off. Use a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen this screw up. Take that screw out. Take this screw out. And there's one down here, it's kind of hard to see. Take that screw out. With all those out, grab the box and just slide it right off. Take the air filter off, just pull it up and just slide it off. And there's this cone piece right here, just slide that out. Disconnect the connector right here. It's the one with the blue cap on it, or the one closer to the center of the vehicle. Just slide up on the connector, slide that off. Now underneath the vehicle, you may want to put a drain bucket in case this is full of washer fluid. Right now, there's really not much washer fluid in it. What we want to do is take the pump and just slide it out. It's just clipped in right there. And then slide it up. When you pull it up, that's when some of the washer fluid is going to come out. And then there's a hose connected right here. If you just twist it back and forth, you should be able to get it to come free from the hose. And just take the pick, just slide in here, trying not to rip the hose, just to loosen it up. And slide it right off, just like that. Remove this rubber grommet and just use a pick or a screwdriver. Just slide it off. Take the new grommet, just line it up with the hole and push it down. Make sure it's all the way down, that looks good. Take the pump. We can plug in the hose right here, same way it came out. Like that. Then line the base of the pump up into the grommet first. Just slide it in, and then you can lock it down. Take the connector, line it up, and lock it down. And take this piece and slide it in position. There is a little area where the slot goes in, right there. Take the air filter, just line this up, and push it down in place. And put the airbox cover on. Slide it in place and put the screws back in. And tighten them all down.